to the people here.
That's where all this started, and where it's all gonna end.
Where is he?
We opened a door to another world. And something came out with us. There's always a price to pay.
What was that?
I don't know. There's something out there. Everyone's afraid, and it's getting worse.
What is everyone afraid of?
Us.
You felt fear.
Terror. They're gonna turn on us.
The best way to build an army is through fear.
All we need is to find out what he wants.
And how far you're willing to go to stop a war.
Well, I think it's already started.
What do I tell Scott?
You tell him to run.
He's murdering our friends. And he's not gonna stop.
No one gets out of this thing alive.
We fight back. You think you're doing this without me, did you? Without us?